Are you ready to make your very own backyard volcano? You can make these easy and fun erupting volcanoes with only a few ingredients, very little prep time, and no messy cleanup afterwards. Let's get started. We are going to need the following ingredients: plastic cup, water, baking soda, dish soap, washable paint, and white vinegar. You can conduct this experiment outside in an area with dirt, sand, or gravel, or you can stay inside and use a large flat-bottom container to contain the lava. Let's start by combining the base ingredients. Pour the water inside the plastic cup about 2/3 of the way full. Next, add 4 to 6 tablespoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of dish soap, and about 1/2 ounce to 2 ounces of washable paint, depending on how bright you want your lava to be. Since the paint is washable, you don't have to worry about any staining. Mix the base ingredients together. And now is when you're going to want to create a mound of dirt, sand, or gravel to put around your volcano. You'll put the cup on top of that mound and turn it into a mountain. Once you've created your mountain, give your mixture a good stir one more time before adding the last ingredient, which is going to be our vinegar. Pour in a small amount of vinegar, just enough to make your volcano begin to foam with lava. Keep pouring until your lava explodes. You can pour the lava in about 3 times before needing to add more baking soda. Now, what causes the foaming lava eruption? A chemical reaction between the vinegar and the baking soda creates a gas called carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is the same type of gas used to make the carbonation in sodas. What happens if you shake up a soda? The gas expands, causing a fizzy eruption. Continue the fun by experimenting with different amounts of ingredients. Does the amount of vinegar change the eruption? Does the amount of water change the eruption? Does the amount of baking soda change the eruption? What combination of vinegar and baking soda creates the biggest eruption? Try different volcano shapes. Does the shape of the volcano affect the direction that the eruption travels? But most importantly, have fun.
Are you ready to dig deeper this summer with this year's summer reading program? Read 10 books or 10 hours, complete special online activities, participate in virtual programming, and get prizes. Register at sandiego.gov/summerreading.